what is the hidden truth about our tax laws that everyone with a traditional IRA or 401k should know about? And can they be changed without warning?
The hidden truth is it's possible to take action with respect to 401k plans and traditional IRAs to have those assets transferred to a Roth IRA. Roth IRAs are wonderful. They provide for tax-free growth. They provide for tax-free distributions. They're going to provide for tax-free money to a surviving spouse. And then when they pass on to the next generation, they can provide for tax-free buildup of wealth over a 10-year period of time. Everybody should have a Roth IRA, and everybody should have their Roth IRA be absolutely as full of assets as possible. How does that happen? It happens by individuals taking their qualified assets and investing them in private equity, either something that's like an LLC that owns real estate, or they can even set up their own LLC and stuff it full of securities and other assets. Then a discount can be taken on the LLC transfer because an appraiser will determine that an LLC, if it's properly drawn, will be subject to discounts for lack of marketability and for lack of control. And so then when the transfer is made from a traditional IRA or from a 401k plan to a Roth IRA, there'll have to be income taxes paid. But what could be more lovely about income tax planning than to have, let's say, a $100,000 investment in some LLC units that own real estate, and then have it appraised at $65,000, roll that over to a Roth IRA and pay tax on the $65,000. That's a wonderful result because the investment's the same. The thought that went into making the investment is that doesn't change because there's a discount. What changes is the amount of money that IRS gets out of this thing because it can grow in value, but the tax is always the tax on $65,000 because that's what the appraiser has determined it to be. Now, we don't do appraisals, but people that do appraisals stand behind them. They know what IRS will accept. They know what to say about the lack of marketability. They know what to say about minority discounts. They are in touch with what's acceptable. And that's important because we want all of our clients to be able to sleep at night and to save money.